My name is Cameron King, and I'm passionate about cooking. So I started cooking my junior year of high school. My mom, she was a very great mom, but she was very busy. She was a nurse and worked a lot of night shifts, so she spent a lot of time making crock pot meals for us, so we were never hungry, but those crock pot meals were not the best tasting. And so I just wanted to learn how to cook by myself, and I thought, there's no reason that I shouldn't be able to learn, and I spent a lot of time on the internet figuring that out. Yeah, so finding time to cook is probably the hardest part about it. And cooking will never just become something that you have time for. I feel like it's a lot, especially in college. There's never just free time at the end of the day where you feel like it's appropriate to cook. Just like anything else, you have to schedule it in. Yeah, so I would say cooking benefits me in two big ways. So probably the biggest is independence. So I never think, when I'm hungry, like I have to go to a restaurant, or if I wanted to cook for a friend or somebody else, I really don't have any issues with that. It's very second nature, which is amazing. And the other reason that's kind of been huge as well is creativity. Cooking gave me the structure to follow a recipe and be able to go step by step if I needed to, and then slowly break away from the recipes and try new things and get more creative. So I think cooking really sparked creativity in me that I don't think I would have found. My favorite thing to cook would be chicken parm. So chicken parm is kind of something that you see on social media all the time or in movies. It's got a lot of pop culture and popularity, but it's actually really easy to make. So even though it seems like a fancier item on restaurant menus, it's very simple and you can make it yourself and it tastes delicious. It's something I always recommend for other people to learn how to make so that they can make it for their friends. Even if they don't cook every day and they only cook once a week, it's still a great thing to learn to pull out for your friends or different family members, whoever you want to cook for. My name is Cameron King, and I'm a geek about cooking.